Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ang tatalakayan ko po today is itong tinatawag na extradition in relation sa pag-approve ng bansang Timor-Leste sa extradition request ng Pilipinas kang Congressman Arnulfo Teves, which is currently facing criminal charges for 10 counts of murder, 12 counts of frustrated murder, and 4 counts of attempted murder before the Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 51 in relation to the March 4, 2023 shootings in Pamplona, Negros Oriental na ikinasawi ni former Pamplona Mayor Ruel Digamo and others. Sa ngayon po, si Congressman Teves ay nasa bansang Timor-Leste and believed to be applying for asylum. But this action is quickly thwarted by the Philippine government by sending an extradition request to Timor-Leste para ibalik sa bansa si Congressman Teves to face trial. So with this, ano po ba itong extradition na binabanggit? Extradition po is the surrender by one nation to another of an individual accused or convicted of an offense outside of its own territory and within the territorial jurisdiction of the other, which, being competent to try and to punish him, demands his surrender. So, vice versa po itong extradition. Meron pong crime na nagawa ang extraditee o yung taong nagtatago sa ibang bansa sa requesting state. In our case, si Congressman Teves is facing trial for criminal charges committed in the Philippines. Or pwede ding ang extraditee naman ay isang accused or fugitive sa ibang bansa pero nagtatago dito sa Pilipinas. In our case, we are the requesting state para mabalik sa atin si Congressman Teves. Moving on, the right of a state to successfully request the extradition of a criminal offender arises from a treaty with the requested state. So, kailangan po pala na bago ito ma-invoke, kailangan po muna may treaty sa pagitan ng ating bansa at ng bansang tinataguan ng akusado. Ang malaking tanong po ngayon ay, meron po bang extradition treaty ang Pilipinas at Timor-Leste? As of this moment, ay wala. Pero bakit na-approve ng bansang Timor-Leste ang extradition request ng Pilipinas kung wala naman pala itong extradition treaty sa Timor-Leste? Ang sagot po dito ay although wala pong extradition treaty ang Pilipinas at Timor-Leste, ay in-invoke po ng ating bansa through our Department of Justice ang United Nations Convention on Transnational Organized Crime, to which ang bansang Timor-Leste is also a signatory. Fortunately po, ang mga kaso po na kinakaharap ni Congressman Teves, which are also classified as terroristic activities, are also classified under the cited convention. So kahit walang treaty, pwede pa din palang mag-request. Basta parehong signatories ang mga countries involved, like sa Pilipinas at sa Timor-Leste. Especially dito sa United Nations Convention on Transnational Organized Crime. So ganito po pala itong extradition na tinatawag. It creates a reciprocal obligation to surrender persons from the requested states, jurisdiction charged or convicted of a certain crime committed within the requesting state's territory, and is of the same level as a law passed by the legislators of the respective parties. Sa ngayon, since approved na ang extradition request ng Pilipinas, ay aantayin na lang po ang pagbabalik ni Congressman Teves upang harapin ang mga kaso laban sa kanya. So sa susunod po na mabanggit ang salitang extradition, alam na po natin kung ano ang kahulugan nito. Sana po ay may natutunan po tayo ngayong araw. Salamat po!